What if I told you you can hatch over 200 chicks at home using a simple incubator you build yourself? Listen to me. Most farmers are losing money and they don't even realize it. Why? Because they depend on hens to hatch eggs, which are slow, unreliable, and very unlimited. Others spend over 10,000 shillings buying expensive incubators before they even make their first profit. While most of us, yes, we rely on buying chicks from unscrupulous dealers who supply us with very weak chicks. We don't know the breeder, chicks come, they die, and all that. But today, I have something to tell you. Let us be honest. A hen can only hatch a few eggs at a time, maybe 10, maybe 12, or if you are lucky, maybe 15. And even then, the results are not guaranteed because some eggs will fail, some chicks will die. Now, I want you to compare that to an incubator. You can hatch dozens, hundreds of chicks at once. But here's the problem. Most farmers believe that incubators are expensive, complicated, and maybe only for large-scale farmers. Well, that belief is what keeps them small. But today, I'll break that belief because I'm going to show you how to build a simple, low-cost incubator using materials you can easily find at your nearest store. And more importantly, I'll show you how to make it work so that you can actually get the results, because building it is one thing and getting chicks to hatch is another thing. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will never buy an incubator again. So let us do this. So to build this kind of an incubator, let me show you what you actually need. So you don't need anything complicated. First of all, just a simple, affordable materials. So you need a strong box like this one. Actually, this can be wooden or even a well-insulated carton, just like this one here. You also need a bulb, a thermometer, a tray or mesh like this one, a small container of water, and a few small ventilation holes. So let me start by breaking it down slow by slow so that you can understand it better. And please let me know where you are watching this video from, either the county or the country, in case you are outside the Republic of Kenya. And if you have any complications connecting this, please let me know in the chat box and I will automatically start by showing you step by step. So let us do this. Apart from the box, you also need this, a DC fan. Just collect it over the 12 volts because this one will help you to distribute heat evenly inside the incubator, and it will also prevent hot and cold spots that actually kills the embryos. So how do you connect it? Just connect it to the 12 volts power adapter and place it inside the box facing sideways. Don't make it to face directly on your eggs, and I'll be able to explain why. Number 2, you also need 2 bulbs, that is 100 watts bulbs like this one. You need this because they will provide enough heat to maintain incubation temperature. So using 2 bulbs gives a backup if in case one fails. Now connect both bulbs to a power, that is, use a parallel connection, which is the best one, and also use a controlled, or you should control it through the STC. This is an STC 1000 temperature controller. Now you also need to use 12 volts, the power adapter. You need this because it powers the DC fan safely. I will show you that. And it also converts the AC, that is the home electricity, to a DC, which is required by your fan. So how do you connect it? Just plug it into mains electricity and also connect output wires to the DC fan as I'm doing here. I hope you can see me clearly. Then you need this. This is an STC 1000 temperature controller. You need this because it will automatically regulate the temperature That means it turns the bulbs on and off, and also it prevents overheating or underheating. This is the biggest cause of failure if you don't do it correctly, as I'm showing you. So how do you connect it here? Connect input to a power supply, then connect the bulbs through the heating terminals as I'm doing it here. Please watch me closely. Then insert the temperature sensor inside the incubator, because this is the brain of your system. If you miss this, then your incubator won't work perfectly the way I want it to work. Then you also need this. This is an AC fan. So you need it because it will improve strong air circulation, especially if you have developed a bigger incubator. And it will also help to maintain consistent oxygen supply in this homemade incubator. So how do you connect it? Just connect it directly to the AC power and position it to circulate air. Don't make it to blow air directly on your eggs. Then you also need this water. This is water, and you need it because you want to maintain proper moisture levels for the embryo development in your incubator, because this water also prevents eggs from drying out. So how do you use it? Just place it in an open container inside the incubator as I'm doing it. Please watch me closely. Then make sure that you refill this container with water regularly. Then you also need this incubator box and also a tray. You need it because it encloses heat and maintains the environment inside the incubator, and also it holds the eggs safely in the position as you can see me doing it here. So how do you build it? Very slow, and let me show you slow step by step. Now you have installed your bulbs at the top or the side. Place the DC fan inside for air circulation. Add AC fan if incubator is large. Then position the tray inside the middle and place water container at the bottom as I have already told you. Then insert the temperature sensor near the egg levels. Make sure that no wires touch the water, and make sure that there is enough air circulation freely inside your incubator. Now connect everything properly, and as you can see, it is powering. And add your incubator. This is where now it becomes a control system. Okay, this is not a guesswork, but now there is some critical condition or controls that you must make sure that you are following up to. So you have to set your STC 1000 to 37.5 degrees Celsius. This is the ideal incubation temperature. Don't miss this. If it is below 35, 36, 37, please make sure that it goes to 37, at least 0.5 or 6, because this controller will turn the bulbs on when the temperature drops, and it will turn them off when it rises. This alone can double your success rate, and if you miss it, you fail. Then make sure that you turn the eggs 2 to 3 times daily, and also maintain humidity. Add water consistently. Now let me show you the proof. Let us go and see if we have some chicks here. Yeah, I can hear their sounds. Yeah, guys, so we have our chicks after day 20. These chicks you see here, they have been hatched using this exact system. This is not guesswork. This is not luck. This is controlled temperature, airflow, and humidity. I know some of you will ask if really this system works. As you can see, the system has worked. But there are mistakes that you must avoid. In case there is no temperature controller, it means there is unstable heat. If you don't have no fan, then there is uneven heating. Too much heat will mean dead embryos. No humidity will mean dry eggs and wrong wiring means the system will fail. So let us talk about the results. You see, with 100 eggs, even with 70 or 80 or 90 hatch, that means you have the 80 or 90 chicks that you didn't buy. You control your production and you scale your poultry business faster. This is how smart farmers are growing, not buying or just by guessing, okay? But by building systems that work. So in case you liked this system, please subscribe, because the next I will show you how to raise these chicks into strong, profitable birds. If you have any problem, please contact me directly. You can just call me and I will come and connect this system for you. This is all for now. Until we meet next time, bye bye.